In order for the Milesight sensors to be able to communicate with a gateway, they must first be registered on the respective gateway. Proceed as follows to make the required one-off settings. On your computer, tablet, or smartphone, select the Wi-Fi signal of the corresponding gateway. The name always starts with gateway and an underscore. You'll find the Wi-Fi password on the silver label on the back of the gateway. If there's no Wi-Fi password there, we've included it in an Excel file sent to you. Next, enter the IP address of the gateway into your browser. After logging in, you'll land on the status page. Click on Network Server in the vertical menu and then select Device from the horizontal menu. Now, you need to add the new sensor to the gateway by clicking the blue Add button and filling out the following fields. In the device name field, enter the name or serial number of the sensor. You can find the serial number on the packaging or in the Excel table we provided. In the description field, enter Flowtify. The device EUI can be found on the sensor's packaging and in the Excel file. For the device profile field, make sure to select Class A, OTAA if it isn't already filled in. In the application field, enter Flowtify if it's not pre-filled. Next, for the payload codec, you must select None. Any other entry will not work. The application key, also known as the app key, is in the Excel file provided. It's crucial to overwrite any pre-filled entry with the app key from the Excel table. Finally, save your entries by clicking Save and Apply. You'll now find the newly added sensor in the device list. Please note that it may take up to 15 minutes for the sensor to appear in the gateway and in the Flowtify dashboard. Repeat these steps for additional sensors. When all sensors have been added, you can exit the page at the top right. Don't forget to log back into your normal Wi-Fi network afterwards. The subsequent tutorial explains the final step: how to configure your sensors by using the Milesight Toolbox app on an NFC-enabled tablet or smartphone.